Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I am just gonna be doing my makeup. I've got some new products, maybe a little bit of what's on my mind. I don't know, let's just get started. I just got this Morphe setting spray, mattifying continuous mist setting spray. Ain't no continuous mist happening. Okay, well maybe that was a little misty. The first time I tried it was not misty, you guys. And then I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. poreless putty primer. I have really large pores in my T-zone area. I'm pretty sure I get that from my dad. Speaking of my daddy, my vlog when I went to Detroit to go see my sister, apparently there was a photo of him and me. He was upset, sad, in his feelings that I did not mention and say anything and give him his own spotlight. And so I said, you know what, Daddy, my next video, I said, I'm gonna give you your whole spotlight. This is my daddy, Jimmy, right here. Awesome, bestest daddy in the whole wide world. If you make a big deal with me, or you point something out or whatever, you're gonna get your spotlight. So I'm gonna just leave this picture up for just one more second. And there you go. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm just gonna take this big fluffy brush right here, my Hourglass translucent powder. I don't really know what look I'm going for today. I'm just doing something. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild foundation. This is the original version, and I wanted to try this for so long. And I know it's been out for forever, but the shade range absolutely sucked. Especially the shade range like when you go in the drugstore. This foundation is $6, so it's really affordable. And it's really pretty on the skin. And I know I'm going in. I normally do not do this much foundation, but why not? Why not today? And the brush that I'm using on this day, that I've been using, that I absolutely love, this is my Real Techniques Instapop brush. It like gives the best coverage, the best finish, like all that. I'm gonna go over this with my beauty blender. So next I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I typically do highlight and then I do contour. What the heck?
And my mom had a sister.
I do have a sister, yes.
Sister named Auntie Maya and Shayla.
Auntie Maya and Shayla?
Well, Shayla's your friend.
Shayla's my friend, right. Speaking of Shayla, this is my really good friend. We've known each other forever. It's my boo. I'm gonna list her shop down below. It's Random and Chic, and she just put out her ebook. She is a thrifter, so if you love thrifting, I highly recommend you getting her book and get to this money. Put all her info here. Maybe I'll put it right here. I'll put Shayla somewhere up in this video. So next I'm gonna take this Kevin Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer, and I have the color in SX11. I have not worked with this before. I bought this like 10 years ago, you guys. Yeah, maybe like 10 years ago I bought this concealer and I never used it, and then I sent it back and I never like purchased it again. I do want a nice highlight. This is like super full coverage, so I'm like using, I think that might even be too much. I'm not using a lot. I don't be needing to highlight much of my forehead either. You seen this forehead? It's quite large. Today I'm just gonna set with taking the same sponge. I have my Fenty right here. So I do have two Fenty bronzers. I'm gonna take Caramel Cutie. I love the color on this. finish my brows, and I've kind of been doing a heavier contour, like nose contour lately, just because I typically don't even do it, but lately I've kind of been liking how it's coming out. So I'm just taking this like contour brush, sculpting brush, sorry, from Real Techniques, and I'm just like tapping the sides, and then I'm just kind of building up here and then under my brow. I'm not in love with that. That's why I'm gonna do this. I need to bring some powder up. Oh, it's too dark. Okay, I'm just gonna let that sit there. I can't keep messing with what I already messed up because I'm just keep messing it up. Next, I'm just gonna take a tapered brush. This is from the Perfect Diary palette. So I'm taking this like tiger one, and I'm popping the color Stripe right there on the crease. I kind of wanted something a little bit deeper than this, but this will work. I'm gonna go in with the fluffy brush. Take like a light brown, like an oatmeal color. That's pretty much what I'm popping right here. All right, so I added lashes. I will put the link to these lashes down below in the description box. They're from AliExpress. That's typically where I get most of my lashes because they're super, super cheap. Next, I'm just gonna quickly finish up this look because I feel like I've been doing my makeup too long. So I've got a smudge brush, a little bit of brown. So you know what's funny is that like it's so much about like, the kids aren't in school now, how are the parents holding up, how are the students holding up. You know, we have a new normal at this point. I'm just saying, no one's checked on us moms who now have to be with their partners 24/7. I'm just kidding. Definitely tired of cooking. I told him once this is over with, I'm done cooking the last half of the year. I've cooked and cooked and cooked and cooked. Let me line my lips. I have this brown liner from NYX. This is the Downtown Beauty, the suede liner. I don't know what's wrong with that liner. It's not doing me any justice right now. I'm gonna go in with this Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat, whatever, in Iconic Nude.
Mom and Dad get a new TV.
No, you don't have a new TV. You have your old TV. Gonna use that to fill in. See how this is looking. I have never purchased anything from Charlotte Tilbury. This is actually my first purchase. I was like, if you can't get a lip pencil right, can you get anything else right? I don't know how this color looks on me. It's kind of pretty. Very plain, very nude. I need to put some color on my cheeks really fast. So let me pop some Eternal Sun on my cheeks. It's kind of like a brown. Okay, I guess I'm gonna take this Milani in Natural Luster. Okay, lips looking like chicken grease, but it's all good. This is Pink Quartz by Milani, and this is Natural Luster. I'm gonna use my Benefit, the roller lash. I'm gonna build up the bottom. I'm taking my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and I'm just going to use that all over. Just try and blend everything. I'm so glad the highlight trend has died down because I was never like the biggest fan of it anyway, so I'm happy it's like pretty much like, yeah, I have large pores and I'm oily. I can't be doing all that. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna look like a big old grease ball in a matter of like 5 seconds. Literally what will happen to me. So this is the final look, you guys. For what? I don't know. I'm going outside today to the patio. Yes, I thought this would be the perfect look for the patio, so yeah, I will put all of, I don't really have nothing to say. I will put all the information about the products, everything that I use, hopefully, down in the description box so that you guys will have them. This hair is also from Trendy Tresses. It's from my last crochet. I actually just took out the perimeter and I've been wearing it in a bun lately like this, and I've been loving it. It's not heavy on my head or anything, so I really it's a horrible habit. Really love this style. If you guys liked it, I hope you guys like how my makeup came out. I think it'll work. I mean, it's kind of like every other look that I do, but it's all good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video.